Hey guys, this is MDB Tech and today I am unboxing HyperX Cloud Earbuds for my Nintendo Switch. It has microphone and 3 ear cups with different sizes. What else? Just 2-year guarantee. Okay, let's cut it open. Okay, ooh, cracked. Here we have a little box, cutie HyperX box. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, here we have ear tips and the headphones itself. 3.5mm with the remote controlled mute and mute, I guess, and microphone here. Okay, looks quite good with the red black accents. I like it. What else is in the package? It's the ear cups. This is large or what? Oh no, this is small. So that means this is medium, and and we get a sticker. We can stick it on our computer. Okay, kind of like stickers, but never use them. And we have large, yeah. So the mediums is here. Pretty much that's it. That was the unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you want a next video where I can compare these earphones with other or make some tests, how they sound in games and so on, just leave a comment, press like, and subscribe. That was MVP Tech. Bye.